Right, as you can see, I've done several, I think there's 10 bags of jewellery charms. Basically what they are, just from all the broken jewellery, you don't throw it. I mean, there's no point in putting that little dragonfly in the landfill. And there's lots of little pendants and things like that and leaves that can be used up in each bag. And so what I've done is I've just made up little £3 bags of things that you can craft with. So go grab them while you can. There's only 10 bags available for now. And when they're gone, they're gone. I will be making more up, but it won't be this week. Right everyone, as you can see, I've been putting these lace packs together. Now they are a good assortment of laces. All can be used for making flowers or edging. They're not huge kits at all, but they're well worth the price I'm charging. And you need to grab them while you can. These are all randomly chosen laces from my shop. And I will be doing more, but this is just the example of the sort of kits you will be getting. So I won't put a photograph up of everything, every single one, but I will, that's why I've done so many different ones now, because they're all different, but they'll be randomly picked and all for you able to make something with. And so if you want them, you're going to have to go grab them, because I know these are going to go quick. These are £4 a pack. Yes, only £4 a pack, and you're getting quite a lot for that £4 in each one. So grab them while you can.